This question here is asking us, the speed of a sound wave depends on the choices we are given, the medium, amplitude, or wavelength. Now, the wavelength is the identifier of the wave, whether it is sound, electromagnetic, or any kind of wave. The wavelength and frequency are the identifier of the waves. If you know either one of them, you'll know what type of wave it is. For example, you'll know if it is infrasound or ultrasound or a particular note. You know it from the wavelength or the frequency. Or if you know from the wavelength or frequency if it is red light, green light, microwave, gamma rays. You know it from either the wavelength or the frequency. That's the identifier. The amplitude tells us how loud a sound wave is. How high, how strong is that wave? Now, and it tells us if we have identical waves, but one with a higher amplitude than the other, the one with a higher amplitude is going to carry more energy. Now, for sound, amplitude tells us about loudness. For light, it's going to tell us about the brightness of the light. More amplitude, brighter light. More amplitude, louder sound. Now, all waves, no matter if it is sound or light, their speed depends on the medium. The speed of a wave is determined by the medium. For sound, the denser the medium, the faster the sound gets. For light, it's the opposite. The denser the medium, the slower the light gets. But be careful, sound is much slower than light. Sound is never faster than light. Okay? So the answer here should be the speed of sound wave, of a sound wave, depends on the medium. Like all types of waves, the speed of a wave depends on the medium.